Gusikabucio mwanju murigereria okuburirwa nigo kwaruru guchiasa ABAIBORI gwesokia nabo igo koenekia buna ngosokia bare abana bari no muchando o Celebral Palsy bune nchire ya moyo koenekia buna ngonyaro bare ogokonyeka
Murigito Linet Nyambane na nyarakoba gakomunikira roboti oru hasenchira yuboikira no asokobori kwaruru guchiasa ABAIBORI koenekia tibari
Chingaki ense engima Gocheng'Era Omotienyi bokorwa ogosegeta gochia ase abantu kubwatekana noborwaire bwebimo ase mwanya bantu obumanyekanete buna Celebral Palsy nigo ababwatani ao baumerana ase omocho Nairobi na korwa obokonyi gochia ase abamenyi be county eyo abo babwate omochando boborwaire obu gokwana emambia yeritkoria rero nigo ababwatani abo baruro kuboria gochia ase serikali kwango ya richiko ria abantu bari bamenyete no borema nario abarwaire abo baranyore obokonyi.
Here we are celebrating Cerebral Palsy Awareness Month, where we are at the climax of impacting the community and creating awareness on a cerebral palsy condition. Indeed, as a country, we are seeing miles and progress, and also the enactment 5 that has so much progressive, and now what we want to call upon is the implementation of Disability Act 2025 that the President enacted last year. We have a number of challenges to fast track the process.
And we are ready from a private sector to step in these very large shoes that need to be filled and help in whichever way possible that we can assist the mothers, the parents, and anyone else who is afflicted and needs support from us.
Cho nigo okuborigwa kwarure guchia ase amate kwenekia abana bari babwata omochando yo ngosokigwa bare tibari kobiswa nario baranyore amasomo nabo igo gukina buna abana bande ase boigo bari bakorenda abarwaire abo bakwaneire esabari yabo.
I am here to say that to disability not a curse. It is how God created us differently with different abilities. I could encourage my colleagues living with cerebral palsy that we don't need to love ourselves, to encourage ourselves, and to do our best to make our life better.
A parent to a 15-year-old boy with severe cerebral palsy, meaning my son can't sit, my son can't hold his neck, my son can't talk, my son can't walk. He's just there. Mara mingi muse mtu wangu analala tu, tunamwanika na tunamwanua. In case you want him to bask, you just carry and go, unaenda unalalisha kwa jua, then jioni unakuja unanua. In case of rain, ikipata kama labda niko mbali. My journey has been a tough one. Along the way, we lost the dad due to depression for the same. And it has not been easy. It has been tough with all the medication, the therapies.
Nonyanabo ni gobo baruro kuboria guchia ase serikali kweyeria rigoriria mariogo abarwaire abo bagutumia nario abange barakonyeke ase boigo bakwanere buna omoroberio obobwenia osha obairogwa kwa guchia ase abarwaire abo.
When we see Baba Diaper karibu na sisi tunasikia ni kama part of us is relieved when we see diapers, because diapers has become a necessity to us, and that is our cry every day, in, out. And if at all the government will come in and support us, most of us will have that comfortable place to stay, to live in, because most of the time the parents are not known because our disability is not seen.
We would request if the government can put every child ability and actually is having the certificate of disability that is showing that child need, that support. Also about SHA, it's unfortunate that nowadays our special needs kids, we are told to especially when they are over 23 years, we are told to register them as individuals.
Ngoripoteria en Soko TV, Eritariane Linet.